Hey everyone, today I want to show you a couple of shortcuts to sum a column of data in Excel. It's super easy to do, save you a lot of time in Excel, and how to do this. You might intuitively think, oh, I can just, do a plus sign between all these or whatever. Not the way to do it. Excel makes life so much easier. First way, and it's probably the more complicated way, is equal sum, to do the sum function. So all you're doing is summing. So you do sum and then tab, and it will give you the open parentheses, and then I do Control Shift up, and it's going to select the whole column, but then I shift and drop it down. So I'm select column that I want, close parentheses, I'm going to hit enter, and that's going to give me the sum of all of those numbers in that column. So that's one way to do it. An even easier and quicker way is if I hit Alt and equal simultaneously at the same time, it's going to do that whole thing for me, and it's going to write that full formula out, exactly what I was looking for, and then I can just hit enter, and it's going to give us that exact same formula. So something that is a nice hack and shortcut to have in Excel. You'll be able to save yourself a little bit of time. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks, and have a great day.